Hello. In Teleroo, payments go through a few different statuses. Here is what they mean. After you've created a pay run, it moves to either awaiting review or awaiting approval. Awaiting review is an optional status that you can turn on in your account. This is an internal review stage where a team member needs to sign off on a pay run before it goes out to the specific entity for approval. The reviewers that you've designated in your account are automatically emailed to check and sign off on payments. If a pay run gets cancelled at the awaiting review stage, it moves to rejected. Awaiting approval is when a pay run goes out for entity approval. The approvers your entity has designated in their account are automatically emailed to approve payments. Then, if you've scheduled the pay run to send in the future, you will see the scheduled status. When payments are being sent, you'll briefly see the sending status. Once the pay run has been successfully sent, it will show as paid. If you cancel a pay run, it will show as cancelled. Awaiting funds will appear if there is not enough money in the Teleroo account to send the payments. Your entity simply needs to top up the account to proceed. We'll email you and your entity if the balance is too low in the Teleroo account to cover upcoming payments, so they can top up before it reaches this status. We'll also notify you both when a pay run tries to send and does reach this status. Dual approval is an optional feature that requires a second person to approve the pay run. You can set this to apply only for pay runs where they are above a certain value, and if you use this feature, the dual approvers that your entity has assigned in their account are automatically emailed to approve payments after the initial approval has been completed. Occasionally, you might see the looking into it status. This means our compliance team is reviewing the payment. If a payment is held for checks, you will receive email notification, including any extra information we may need to process the payment. For example, it might be that the payee details you have do not match the bank account, or it appears to be a duplicate payment.